Administrator enrollment. To enroll an administrator or supervisor, press the menu button. Select User Manage and press the OK button. Select Enroll Admin and press the OK button. Select Enroll Fingerprint and press the OK button. There are 3 groups to choose, which are Admin, Supervisor, and Enroller. It is recommended to choose Supervisor because it has rights to access all system settings in the reader. Select Supervisor and press OK button. The screen will display New Enroll. Press the OK button to start enrollment. Insert your user ID, example 1212, and press the OK button. Place your finger 3 times and press the OK button to save the fingerprint. The Escape button is meant for enrollment of backup template. You may follow the same steps as previous to backup the fingerprint. Press Escape button 4 times to exit. Once you have enrolled the supervisor into the system, normal users can no longer gain access to the system unless the supervisor is present. The LCD screen will show Admin Affirm, which requires the supervisor's fingerprint. Once the supervisor's fingerprint is entered, you can gain access to the system settings.